Are you also having a ceramic art studio? Then this video is for you. So hello everyone. If you are receiving multiple customer inquiries, you want to share product infos, or you want to book the appointments for the workshops, entire processes could be automated with the help of a simple WhatsApp chatbot that you can simply create without any coding and programming skills for your ceramic art studio with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. This amazing WhatsApp chatbot can help you to automate entire WhatsApp messaging and replies for your customer inquiries. For your business, if you want to learn the entire step to create this WhatsApp chatbot, for that you have to come towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for a ceramic art studio using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you are having a ceramic art studio where you want to engage your clients, your customers, new students, 24/7 on WhatsApp, you are receiving multiple inquiries, whether you are receiving appointments for workshops or you are receiving orders. Everything you can manage effortlessly and engage your customers 24/7 without single coding and programming skills with the help of a WhatsApp chatbot. And you can simply create that WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So first of all, let's understand what is Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is a drag and drop flow builder and lets you design automated conversations for your WhatsApp. It is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation and WhatsApp marketing tool with the help of which you can send multiple WhatsApp messages to your customers, clients, leads, employees, anyone automatically. You can send mass WhatsApp messages. You can create flows over here for engaging your customers, for your customer support, for your order management, sales processing, and much more. Now here today I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot by your own for your ceramic art studio. You can see that here we have multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. I'm going to explain each of the feature to you in brief. So first of all, over here we have inbox where you can manage all your received messages and sent messages all at one place. You do not have to use your WhatsApp web again and again. Then here we have the contact section where you can create multiple contact lists in the systematic manner to send WhatsApp messages to different lists according to different requirements. Okay, then we have the team queues over here by using which you can assign chats to your team members so that you can manage your customers, your clients on the basis of their requirements in the personalized format from different team members. And also you can track the performances of your team members, track the inputs which you are receiving from your customers or clients, and in this way you can manage the process of your productivity easily. Then here we have the template section where you can create customized and personalized templates and more creative formats along with images, media files such as videos, documents, and much more with the help of variables so that you can create dynamic templates for sending to your customers, to your leads, to your clients in the personalized format according to their requirements. And you also get predefined templates over here which you can explore and use for your messages. Then we have the broadcast section over here from where you can send mass messages to multiple lists of your contacts. Then we have the highlight step, that is Flow Builder. So Flow Builder helps you to create automated chatbots which helps you to engage your customers, send them messages, receive their messages, and automated replies, responses effortlessly. We are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot by using Flow Builder for your ceramic art studio. So let's get started. First of all, to start with a flow, you have to come towards the flow builder from the left side over here like this, and here you will find the option of add flow. So we'll click on this button. After coming over here, first of all, let's give a name to the flow. So let's say the name of my flow or my chatbot is Ceramic Studio Bot. Let's say this is the name of my bot. Now we are going to start with the flow. To start the flow, here I am going to use some keywords. We are going to start our flow on the basis of the messages which we are receiving from our customers, our clients or students on WhatsApp. So as soon as they are going to send us a message which contains specific keywords, the keywords are going to be matched, and on the basis of that match we are going to start our flow. Okay, and the flow is going to start and trigger automatically. It will then start responding to the messages of those customers who are sending the messages. What kind of keywords? So in my case, because I'm creating this bot for my ceramic studio, therefore the keywords which could received as messages from my customers, clients or students could be hi. So they can send me a hi message to start the conversation. If you want to add the words and keywords, what you have to do, you have to type the word like this, let's say hello, and then you have to move your cursor and take it on the word which you have typed, and you just have to press the cursor like this. It will turn into blue and it will be added as a keyword. The next could be Workshop, they can ask me something related to workshop. So here I'm going to just add this as keyword. And then we have multiple such keywords. Okay, we can have multiple keywords, but if we are going to add those keywords over here, it might be possible that when customer, a student or a client is going to send us a long message, send us a sentence, then because if we are just using keywords over here, the keywords are not going to match, because keywords help when we are receiving exact words as keywords. If we are receiving a sentence which contains certain keywords, the flow is not going to identify and match them. It will not take them as keywords. It will just ignore the message. Therefore, here I want that also when I'm going to receive specific words, and also when I'm receiving full long text messages from my customers, from my clients or students, which contain specific keywords. In both the cases, my flow should start and the response should be sent. Therefore, here I'm going to use the option of regex. So what is regex? Regex actually stands for regular expressions. It's like a smart search pattern used to match specific words or patterns in the text which you are receiving as your messages on WhatsApp from customers, clients, students, anyone. You can think of it as a filter that helps your bot easily understand what the user is actually saying and match the words. And as the words are matched, your flow is going to trigger or start. So here the regex has a specific pattern which you have to enter. You're going to use certain keywords which are commonly used in your case. In my ceramic studio, because I am creating the bot for ceramic art studio, some of the keywords are specific which I'm going to receive if the customer, client or a student wants to communicate with me regarding the same. So the keywords are such as ceramic, art, studio, appointment, workshop, etc. So these keywords I'm going to enter in the form of a pattern of regex, and the pattern is simple. We have to enter like this. So here I have entered my regex as /b, small b, then I have entered a bracket, I have started a bracket, and I have entered all the keywords which I wanted, such as hi, hello, start, clay, ceramic, with these slashes. Then we have studio, art, help, workshop, appointment, booking, order, pottery, class, register, sign up. Okay, and then I have closed the bracket and I have entered /b. Alright, so these are the keywords which I want to use as regex to start my flow. And also I'm going to turn this button on. As I have enabled this toggle, this is for case sensitive regex. So if you are having any words which are actually case sensitive, and if you want to keep the case sensitive enabled, you can just turn this toggle button on. It is not mandatory although, but according to your use case, according to your requirements, you can decide to turn it on or off. Now, let's move forward. When I'm going to receive certain keywords, what I want to just ask first of all the name of the person who is sending me the messages, so that I will be able to address them with their name and I will be able to convert the conversation more personalized. Okay, so here for that I'm going to connect my flow start with a question. For that I will go towards actions and I will drag the ask question over here like this. Then I'm going to connect my flow start with this question. And what question I want to ask? I want to ask the person about their name. So the message is, welcome to Clay and Glow. That is the name of my art studio, your cozy ceramic art studio. Before we begin, may I know your full name? So here when the person is going to send me the name, I want to add that name automatically in the contact field. For that, here I'm going to select the contact custom field as full name. And here the format of this name is automatically going to be text. So I'm going to select text over here. Now, if you want to provide attempts, so that if in case the customer or the person who is sending you the messages may write the name wrong, they might send the spelling wrong or anything wrong in the name. If they want to reattempt it, you want to provide them the chance or no. So here, if you want to provide them the chance, you can give the number of chances, and also you can enter a validation message if you want to send along with the number of attempt you are providing. I'm going to keep the number of attempt as 1 only, because I think person is not going to make any mistake in their own name, right? Now, here, how you are going to add the details in your contact custom fields. For that, here we have the option of settings. You can see we have the option of contact custom fields. Let me open it in a new tab. I'm going to explain it to you in brief. Although we have created a separate video tutorial for the entire contact custom field section. So here we have contact custom fields. By adding the details according to your choice, you can add contact custom fields, such as we have multiple details over here, such as the name, first name, last name, full name, address, city, etc. Now, how you can use them? If you are adding these details in your contact custom fields, whenever you're going to receive them from your customer, your client as messages, automatically they will be added in Pabbly Chatflow in the details of your contact. Okay. So here, as I've selected full name from my contact custom fields, when I'm going to receive full name from my customer or my client or a student as a response and in the message, then the name of that person is going to be added in the contact field. Okay, and it will be saved in Pabbly Chatflow. Then I will be able to address the person with their own name. Now, how am I going to address the person? As soon as they're going to tell me their name, I'm going to ask them the email as well. So once again, I'm going to ask another question about their email. I'm going to connect this first question with another. So now I'm going to enter the message in order to ask their email. Now I've entered, thanks, can you please share your email address so we can keep you updated with our events and offers. Now I'm collecting the email of the lead or the client or the student so that I will be able to stay in touch with them further as well. My team members could send them their email campaigns and other details. Also, because I want to address them with their name, I've already received their name. So here I'm going to use a contact custom field as variable. Now I'm going to enter full name, that is the contact custom field name over here like this. And I will enter a $sign before the name like this. Why I have done that? Now, as I have done that, I have used a $sign. In place of this full name, the name of the client who is communicating with us is going to appear. And they will be receiving the messages along with their own name. Now, here the contact custom field will be email and the format will be of email. Okay. Now, let's move forward. Apart from this, when I'm going to receive the details from the customer, then I'm going to send them again a message that what they actually want today. So here I'm going to add my question number 2 with a message. I have selected text plus button message over here and I'm going to enter the message as awesome. And here again I have entered the variable of full name so that I can again address them with their name. Awesome. What would you like to explore today? Please choose one of the below options. Maintain the proper formatting in the messages. Then here I'm going to provide them the options with the help of the buttons. If they would like to explore about the workshops we are having, if they would like to explore about the products, or if they want to get some tips regarding the clay or the pottery. So here I'm going to select the button option and the first button will be workshops. Then here I'm going to use another button, shop, and the third button is for the tips. Care tips. All right, so here now I've provided 3 buttons. 3 different buttons will have different messages. In case if the customer or the client or the student is going to opt for workshops, they are going to click on this button workshop. Then I want to inform them about the workshops we are going to conduct and how they can register themselves for the workshop. So for that I'm going to attach another message. Here I'm going to connect this first button workshop with another message as this month's workshop, and here I'm going to make it first of all bold. The heading is bold. First workshop is beginner hand building, which is on Saturday at 10 a.m. Then the second one is for wheel throning, which is on Sundays at 11 a.m. And we have glazing and finishings, which is on Wednesday at 5 p.m. For booking, you can book your spot now. Here I'm also providing the link through which they can book their slots for the workshops. All right. Apart from this, if further they would like to go back towards the menu, here I'm going to attach a button for back to menu. And here how they are going to go back towards the menu, I'm going to connect this menu button with the welcome message or with the message where we are providing them the options. All right. In case this is for the first button, in case if they are going to select the option of shop when they want to shop some products. So there in that case, I'm going to explain them about the products which we are selling. So here the message will be explore our handmade ceramics. So we are providing coffee mugs, decorative bowls, indoor planters and much more. And I've also provided the store link to them. Visit our shop here. So they can just go and explore much more products and the prices on our store. And in this way, we are going to increase our sales as well. Now here I'm going to attach another button if they want to go back towards the menu. And I'm going to again connect the menu button with the home message like that. All right. Now, apart from this, we have created the message for the first option, for workshops, for the shop option. Now, third one is for the care tips. So I'm going to give them the care tips like that. If they are selecting the option, they want to get the care tips. If they are the existing students, they want to know about how they are going to care their ceramics which they have created. So in that way, I'm going to provide them the message as. So here we have ceramic care tips, which I'm going to make the heading as bold. Always hand wash with mild soap. Avoid extreme temperature changes. Handle with care and love. Want to learn more? Check our blog. And here I provided the blog link where we are regularly uploading new blogs regarding the ceramics and the care tips of ceramics. Now, also I'm going to make this as bold. Again, I'm going to attach another button to go back to menu. And I'm going to connect it with the start button like that. Okay. So this is my flow. It is ready. Now I'm going to explain you what all things we have done to create this flow. I have created a basic flow, but you can add more creatives. You can also attach some images, videos, etc. And also the PDF for the catalogs. Now here I have started with the flow with some keywords and the regex. As soon as the keywords are going to be matched and the flow is going to start, first of all I'm going to ask the name of the person who is sending me the message. As soon as they are going to reply me with the name, I'm going to ask them the email and I'm going to address them every time with their own name. After they are going to provide me the email, then I'm going to send them a message regarding the products, regarding the options which they want to explore. I have 3 options: workshop, shop and care tips. In case if they want to explore about the workshops, I have provided them the details of the workshop and also the link where they can book their slot in order to attend the workshop. Also then the next is the shop. So if they want to explore about the products we are offering handmade, I have provided them the details about that and also the store link so that they can visit my store and explore the products directly from there. And also third option is care tips. If they want to ask about the care tips regarding the ceramics, I have provided them the tips, also the blog link where they can check more. So this is my flow which I have created and this is a chatbot. Now, as soon as we have created this flow, I'm going to click on save to save it. And then I'm going to show you a live example of how this flow is actually going to start and work. So for this, I will first of all take you towards my WhatsApp. So this is the number through which I have created my Pabbly Chatflow account. And this is my business number for my ceramic art studio. On this number, as a customer or as a student, I'm sending a message. Let's say I want to know about, hi, I want to know about the workshop. And I'm going to send this message. As I've done that, it is asking me, hi there, welcome to Clay and Glow, your cozy ceramic art studio. Before we begin, may I know your full name? So I'm going to give the name, let's say as Smart User. A random name. And here it is addressing me with my names. Thanks, Smart User. Can you please share your email address so that we can update you with our events and offer? So I'm going to give a random email, let's say as, and I'm going to send them the email. As soon as I've done that, now it is sharing a message. Awesome, Smart User. Again, it is addressing with the name. What would you like to explore today? Please choose one of the options below. So let's say I'm going to select workshops. And as I have done that, here I have the message. This month's workshop, beginners, hand building, Saturday at 10 a.m., wheel toning, glazing and finishing. Also, we have the link. Now when I'm going to click on this button, back to menu, we are again on the menu section. So here I'm going to select shop this time, let's say. So it has provided me the messages. And now when I'm going to go towards the menu once again, here we have the care tips. Let's say I'm going to select it. Now again I have the care tips and if I'm going to click on back to menu, again I'm on the menu section. So the flow is going to work in loop. Now, as we are providing 3 options over here, the customers, the clients could explore all the 3 options if they would like. If the flow is attractive, they're engaging the customers 24/7 and also addressing them with their name and the personalized details. It makes more attractive for a person to explore our business like that. All right. So the flow is absolutely ready and very easily we have created it. You can see we have completed the entire flow. It is working correctly. We have not used any coding and programming skills. In this way, you will be able to grow your ceramic art studio. You will be able to gather more customers, more leads. You will be able to promote your workshops, attract more students for the registrations of workshop, sell your products, increase sales, and also increase your audience base with the help of your blogs. I hope this WhatsApp automation, this amazing chatbot is clear to you. It is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching.